I definitely don't have the type of money to be buying the type of cars that a lot of you guys are mentioning, but check out the new ride. A lot of you guys might be surprised. And there it is, guys, a 2008 Dodge Ram Megacab with a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 gas engine. It would have been nice if this was a diesel, but man, diesels are so expensive and are definitely out of my price range. But this thing will definitely do. This thing is so nice, such a beast. So much space in this guy. As you can see, it already does have a bunch of stuff done to it, which is even better because this is already most of the things that I already want to do to it, which is basically throw a lift on there and a bunch of small little things. Not a fan of the wheels, so the wheels are gonna be swapped out, but you guys stay tuned. Ooh, check it out. So let's actually start messing with the truck right now. There's actually a bunch of stuff on the truck that I am not a fan of, and I'm going to start taking all of those stuff off right now. This bull bar here, which is actually not that bad looking, I'm actually not a fan of anything up in the front like that, so that guy's coming off. And the front plate needs to come off now. This random little guy back here is also coming off. That has to go. That guy out there gotta go. That needs to come off. There's a buttload of stickers back here and all of that is coming off. And this door strip too gots to go. And if you guys notice on all of my cars in my previous videos, I'm always taking off all of these emblems. So all of these emblems on a car, these side ones and the one in the rear, are also coming off. These got to go. All right, much better and cleaner with all of that stuff removed. Woo! Check out that beast. Now, I want to know what you guys think about the truck, so make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you guys like the truck, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Lastly, subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos on the truck. Thanks, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.